Hello dear students, this is Kamal Kishore Kohli from Saraswati Vidyapit Residential School Shivpuri, and I welcome you to watch my channel. Today I am going to explain you very interesting chapter. That is the name of lesson is that the sound of music. This lesson has been extracted from the book Beehive from 9th class. Okay, so this book is new and based on NCERT. So today I am going to explain the questions answer very deeply, very interestingly, so that you can understand all the questions. You will learn so easily after watching this video. Okay, so let us study. I am going to explain you questions answer. Okay, from lesson number 2, class 9th. Well, okay, first question is that how old was Evelyn when she went to the Royal Academy of Music? It means you can say that how old was Evelyn when she went to the Royal Academy of Music? कितनी उम्र थी? It means, well, so I am going to explain how old was Evelyn when she went to the Royal Academy. It means she was below 17 years. It is the answer of that question. Very simple. Okay, short answer you can say. So the answer of this question is that she was not even 17 years when she went to Royal Academy of Music. Or in other words, you can say she was below 17 years. Well, now let us study next question. Okay, when was her deepness first noticed? When was her deepness first noticed? When was it confirmed? It means हिंदी में कहें तो वो उसकी जो विकलांगता थी, जो बहरापन था, वो कब ध्यान में दिया, कब उस पर ध्यान दिया, और ये कन्फर्म कब हुआ? 2 questions है इसमें. Well, so you can answer very interestingly, very so easily. Well, so when you can say that it was, we can say that her deepness was first noticed when she was 8 years. Well, she was 8 years. It was noticed, and it was confirmed when she was 11. Well, when she was 11 years old, it was confirmed that she was deaf. She couldn't hear anybody, anything else. Well, so it is the very interesting answer of question. You can answer very easily. Now come to the next question. These questions answers has been given in phases. First phase contains 2 questions. Next, second phase contains 2 questions. Number 1 means, now come to the second phase. First question: who helped her to continue with music? What did he do and say? Means who helped Evelyn in learning music? So you can say very easily the name of person should be told. Name of person, or you can say that guru or teacher you can write. And how? And what did he do? How did he help her? It is the question. Okay, so you can write who helped. At the place of who you can write percussionist. Percussionist is the name of her guru, name of her teacher, music teacher, who taught her very easily, so hardly you can see that. Well, next question is that what did he do? Means her guru or her teacher trained her and told her, encouraged her to learn something in the field of music. He told her, don't listen with ears. You can listen, you can sense it in other ways. Okay? So, and he brought two different drums and he began to tune the two drums to the different notes. So he taught very interestingly. Okay, so it was very interesting. You can say that method of percussionist who trained her disciple means Evelyn. See, we can so powerful and so talent in the field of music. Next question. Name various places. Name the various places and causes for which Evelyn performs. Okay, so you can say different places means she performed in prisons and secondly in hospitals. Okay, and mostly she performed for the young peoples of world, young generation, to show them her soul. So it was very interesting thing for her. Okay, now come to the next question. It is the biggest question, means you can say that essay type question, means you will have to write this answer of this question in 100 to 150 words. Okay, let us study or see that question. How does Evelyn hear music? How did Evelyn learn music? Okay, or hear music? How did her hear music? Because she was deaf. How can it possible to hear music? How can it possible to enjoy music without hearing, without ear? So we can explain it very easily. Firstly, she was deaf lady, or you can say girl. She couldn't listen anybody. So she was noticed when she was 8 years old, and it was confirmed when she was 11. So her parents took her to a very interesting, very powerful guru. The name of guru was percussionist, and who encouraged and trained her in different ways. He encouraged her and said many times, don't listen with ear. You can sense it in other ways. He brought two drums and other items also, you can say, and he began tuning to the different notes. So she learned how to listen or how to sense music at the different notes. Okay, so it was the struggle and the cooperation of her guru, percussionist. Okay, so these were the questions. These are the questions you can say here. You can listen and you can learn again and again. So all the questions will be so simple for you. And I request you, all the students of 9th class, please take down them in your fair notebook. I am requesting again and again, take down them, so that you can listen them, you can learn them, you can understand them very easily. Okay, so in my next video I will explain you the lesson number 2, the part 2. Okay, so be ready for it. Okay, so thank you to watch my channel regularly, and never forget to share and share among your friends or in your relatives, so that they can be benefited. Okay, thank you once more again.